It's a really sort of magical experience, I'd say, to grow something from seed all the way to its ultimate goal, whether that's a tomato or a flower you cut or whatever. It's something incredibly gratifying. So the greenhouse allowed me to be able to expand on so much of the things I was able to grow. I'm Rosie Daykin, and I am the author of The Side Gardener, recipes and notes from my garden. Got an egg from Koki. Koki's a good girl. Got cucumber coming up. This is broccoli. We've got zucchinis under here. With all the things that I grow from seed this year, these are definitely the thing that I'm most proud of, and that is they're like an English shelling pea. They're so pretty. Welcome to my BC greenhouse. This is the Parkside 8x10. Come on in. You know, the greenhouse is relatively, let's say, empty right now because everything's been planted out into the garden. If you were here in like March, this would be a very different scene because I would have probably this much space to stand and I'd be skirting amongst all of the various pots. I start, you know, all the dahlia tubers in here and all the vegetables and all the other things. So this is where I do think about some sort of shelving that I could squeeze in here to get in more seed trays. I have the four-stair system. You set your thermostat to whatever your desired temp would be. And once it gets that warm, that fan will come on automatically. I have some good friends who also have greenhouses from BC Greenhouse, and to me, there was no other choice. So the whole process was so seamless. BC Greenhouse did all the heavy lifting. They just made it so easy, the whole thing. I start quite early in the year. I mean, that's the best part. So January, February, when it's miserable, I can be tucked away in the greenhouse. It's lovely and toasty and warm. It makes it feel like springtime isn't months off. I think anybody that's considering getting a greenhouse, I would highly encourage you to do it. I love how peaceful it is in here. And I think anybody that has a greenhouse would tell you that.